Okay, you guys, so you know your girl always has to come and I have to give you guys the play, right? Because I'm only one person and it's only so much that I can do within this industry. So here it is. You can make $1,000 a month selling planners. And I know you're saying, how in the heck am I going to sell planners? It's January the 1st, 2025, the recording of this video. I got a planner here. I got a journal here. I got a calendar here. Okay? These are all going to be things that people are using. These are all going to be things that people are needing because we are in a new year. So where you are going to come in at with these planners is you're going to have a planner to sell for every niche, for every industry, for every person that needs a planner for something. You are going to be the planner girl, the planner guy. You are going to be the one who has a planner for every industry that you can think of. Now, I know you're saying, where in the world am I going to get these planners? How am I going to get these planners? Now, if you do not have time to dedicate to sit down and make a lot of planners on Canva, using Canva, because you guys know I tell you everything that you can do free. I am here to help you. So you can go on Canva and you can create your own planners. You can also use BookBoat to create your own planners and your own activity books. But if you are looking for a fast way to begin making $1,000 a month, you can go on my website today and you can get 200 done for you planners for $30. $30 and you will receive 200 done for you planners that is going to cover different niches. So what you're going to do is, once you have these planners, regardless of if you decide to get these planners from me or if you choose to create your own planners within Canva and BookBoat, what you're going to do is create you a Faceless Instagram page and you want to show pictures of planners. What you're going to do is every single day for the next 90 days, because I want you to tap in. Right now, I have a 90-day challenge going on, and this is something that I am currently doing just for myself, but I want to put you guys onto it as well, where for the next 90 days, you are consistently posting on a social media platform. You can choose one platform or you can dedicate yourself to 2 platforms if you have the time. Now, I am a full-time business owner, so my time is flexible. So I am choosing to dedicate the next 90 days to 2 different platforms, which is going to be here on YouTube, as well as I have started a Instagram page to create 3 reels per day for the next 90 days. Now, I want you guys to choose Instagram if you decide that you do want to only do one platform. And the reason I say Instagram is because on Instagram, you don't have to show your face and make videos as I'm doing. And on Instagram, you're able to post 5-second reels, 10-second reels, up to 90 seconds per video, and it's going to be the easiest way for you to begin this journey in this process. So what you are going to do is, once you have your calendars, this is something that you can do in, let me show you guys. I'm literally sitting right here at my desk, and you can show yourself, you know, with your calendar. Now, I'm just showing you guys on camera, but what you're going to do without showing your face is you can have your camera showing what it is that you're writing. So if you have a journal, because in that you do have different journals and you have planners and different templates around this industry and this niche, right? If you decide to get the bundle from me, what you're going to do is have your phone set up where it's only showing this part of your background, and you're going to be writing. You can write down something as simple as affirmations every morning where you're showing those journals. You can write down what it is you have to do that day, because it's different ones within this package deal, right? And because it's different ones within the package, you're going to choose different ones out of that package. and you're going to literally go on Canva, and you can just have it where you're showing yourself putting it in on Canva. Because in Canva, you're able to add the text message, or if you want to print this off as a PDF, because you're able to also print it off. You can print it off and you can write this down, because some people like myself, I like to write on paper versus being someone who's just on my tablet and writing things digitally. So what you're able to do is print this off, print them off, and you're gonna write it down, and you're just gonna show these different planners. Now, if you don't have time to do all of this, you can actually just post little snippets of the inside of the planners and what it is that they will receive. So you guys can spice this up, and you can do it however you want to do it. So I am going to show you guys exactly what's included within the 200 planners. And if you want to customize these different planners, what you're going to do is take the planner from your PDF file that you will receive from me if you decide to buy this 200 bundle deal, and you're going to take whichever planner you want, and you can drop that file within Canva so that you are able to change it up, change the font, change the title. Like, you're able to add things to it. You can literally do as you choose with this. If you are looking to only make $1,000 quick and fast, and you're just trying to get this uploaded and done, you do not have to add anything to these planners. You can resell them as they are, but it is totally up to you. So you want to use those planners, and you want to be someone who is literally selling nothing but planners. You're going to start a Faceless page, and on this Faceless page, you're going to post planners. And if you want to even get more detail, you can post a picture of the planner or post something from the inside of that planner, and you can put a topic and put in things about that specific niche. It is totally up to you how you do it, but this is just an idea of what you can do so that you can begin making $1,000 a month with only selling planners. And this is going to be a faceless niche where you're not going to show your face. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the different planners that you can get and you will receive if you do decide that you want to do a faceless planner niche. Okay, you guys, so if you decide that you do want to purchase the 200 PLR done for you planners from me, there are different planners that you can choose from. So depending on what niche you want to go in specifically, or if you just want to do as I've mentioned in the video and just be the planner girl for every industry, there is literally no limits to this. As you can see, you have different journals in the gratitude niche. You have one in the pregnancy niche. You have the 12-week savings challenge. You have ADHD. You have just a regular 2024 planner. You have anxiety journals, the budget financial budget planner, 2024 business plan, the self-love 75-day challenge, back to school planners, pet care planners, girl boss planners. Literally, you guys, anything that you want to go into, there is a planner for it. You have the baby shower planner, a bakery business planner, a beauty planner. Like, you guys, there is no limit. And another idea, as I look at this and I'm explaining it over in this video, you guys can actually take some of these planners if you decided that you just want to go in a specific niche, and you can put these planners in a bundle deal. So let's just say, for instance, if you know that you want to go into finances, you can have this budget financial planner and this budget planner right here together, as well as having the 12-week savings challenge together. So just depending on the niche and the topic that you want to choose is how you would bundle these different planners. So there is different planners for every single niche and every event that you can think of, all the way down to kids. So no matter what it is that you want to talk about, no matter what industry that you are trying to go into, you guys, there is literally something for everybody. You can see even a stop smoking journal. So if you're someone who's trying to stop smoking in this year, guess what? There is a journal specifically for that, where you can show this and you can show yourself and on your journey to stop smoking. Like, everything is content, so it's up to you on how you use this so that you can get sales. If you were to purchase this, this is how you can edit your different journals. So let's go back up here to the top. This journal here say 2024 planner. Let me click on it so that you can see how this is done. So once you click on it, it's gonna bring you into Canva. Now, if you do not have a Canva account, you will be directed to create a Canva account, and Canva is free to use. But if you want to do different things within Canva, they do have a pro version. But in order for you to edit these different planners and journals, you do not have to have the pro version to begin. So once you click on the link, if you decide to purchase this, it's going to bring you directly to this page so that you can access it in Canva to do any editing. And you want to hit use template for new design. So once you have hit that, this is what you're going to see. You can see your planner right here. So let's just say, for instance, it's now currently 2025. You're going to hit this, and now all you're going to do is just change it to 2025. And you guys, that is how easy it is. You can literally redesign this. You can add things to it. It is up to you how you do this. So if you wanted to change colors, change fonts, like anything you decide you want to do, you are able to do it, or you can keep everything the same way that it is currently. So yeah, you guys, that is going to be the 200 done for you planners. As you can see, there are multiple niches, and because it is different niches, you can either choose to take a specific niche, create an Instagram page around that one niche, or if you want to do as I stated, which is going to be a planner faceless content creator, you can do this as well, where you're going to create an Instagram page that is going to be faceless, and you're going to take those planners and you are going to upload different things within those planners for those different niches so that you can begin driving traffic to your stand store or to your Gumroad or PayHelp website so that you can begin generating sales. Now, if you decide that you do want to be the person who is going to just sell specifically all 200 of these different planners, I would recommend that you use Shopify instead of Stand Store, so that when they go on your Shopify page, they can see like each one of these specifically, versus with a Stand Store account, you're literally just going to have like a list of 200 pages, and that's going to just be too much, and you don't want to just make it a hassle for yourself or for your potential customers. So the best way to do this, if you decide that you want to be someone who just goes that route, you can go on Shopify and create a Shopify account. And Shopify does have a $1 trial right now for a month, and then after that month, it's going to cost you around $39 a month, which is going to round up to be around $42 a month. And Shopify is a great source and a great place to go as well. So if you decide you want to go this route and you need me to create a tutorial on how to get your planners uploaded within Shopify so that you can begin generating sales, make sure you let me know down in the comments so that I can get that video created for you guys. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.